Guys, this is Pixel Fold official video that is posted by Google itself. This time Google Pixel Fold will be considered as a game changer smartphone that is launched on 10th May, but it will be available in the market from starting of the June. About pricing, the Pixel Fold, Google first foldable smartphone, is going to be cost $1,700 and Google will offer a free Pixel Watch to Pixel Fold buyer as well. According to Google, the Pixel Fold has the most durable hinges on the foldable. It will also be marketed as water resistant, although its standard is not clear up till now. About outer screen, it will be 5.8 inches while the inner one opens up to 7.6 inches. Apparently, the Pixel Fold will be heavier than Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, the device that is in competition with Google smartphones. The reason is that this time Google is using a bigger battery than the Samsung, that is 4800 mAh compared to Z Fold 4 that is having 4400 mAh and the Oppo Find N2 that is having 4500 mAh. So this was the all about Google Pixel Fold smartphone. We also did video on Google Pixel Fold display as well. You can check out that video as well, and please don't forget to press the like and subscribe button.